drop this video, so I'm gonna drop it real quick. I'm testing out my boy's S1000 RR, that 2020 S1000 RR. He was thinking about getting a M1000 RR, but he's already done most of the mods. Everything that was stock has been changed, touched, or modified. He added little winglets on the joint. He's like, man, tell me what you think. Ride the bike, see if it's something that I should give up, and, well, check it out.
Yeah, keys in it. Come on, jump on the R6. Yeah, it's 2 chairs right there. Yo, give me the modes and everything.
Cut this off and that ain't shit. Just put this over.
No. Just put it in race with no traction control.
Yeah.
All right, that's no traction control. It's in race.
Now you change that to one button. Like Gerald's lets you either on or off. Gerald's got one for the ABS. This is where you need a button for it. The ABS is on. You'll the track catches up to it.
All right, let's see what's up. All right, so what makes this bike so damn gnarly, it's so wildly legendary, is the fact that, one, this is straight made for Modified Superbike. Wheelbase, rake, everything about it is gnarly. This specific bike is Bryn tuned, and it's 230 plus horsepower. It's got all the bolt-ons and everything. Damn, for that bike to only have 4,800 miles, that nigga wearing hard on the grips. But I will say this bike is terrifying, so you do kind of put a lot of weight on your hands, only because you want to be more forward, because it's always throwing you back. Let's see what we got. Oh, the electronic magnetic throttle, there's no resistance in that, so that's really weird to get used to. It's like playing on a Mad Cat steering wheel with no resistance on it. This bike is so goddamn aggressive, man. Modern bikes have more horsepower than old GP bikes. So motorcycling has progressed so much from the time frame that, you know, we started to get really aggressive moving out of the 2-stroke realm into the 4-stroke realm. This wheelbase is so long, the bike sits so high, and the tires are so big. This is a 200 on the backside. Now, the last time I rode this bike, absolutely terrifying. I am a 6 foot tall man, right? And I have tippy toe action on this bike. It's not of the faint of heart. Short dudes, you know, what the hell? That nigga about to go in the bottom of the freeway. What the f? With the ABS, I don't trust it because, oh, I don't want that shit to not allow me to hit the brakes. Oh my God, here we go. Oh God, oh God. This bike is nuts. The quick shifter's pretty cool. I've never really used quick shifters. It seems pretty notchy. This is a lot of motorcycle, ladies and gentlemen. Woo, that front wheel is gliding. I would like for the quick shifter to be tuned a little smoother though. Let me see what the turns are like. The electronic throttle is weird to get used to. Oh my God. I don't even want to go 100% throttle. It's way too torquey. Holy shit, man. The amount of torque that you have to deal with is absolutely absurd. Alright, it's less windy this way. Damn! Damn! God damn! God damn! You know, I don't even need to know how fast this bike will go because it's really the amount of power that it puts down. Man, who the hell thinks this bike would even be slow? You know what I'm saying? God damn. Just did a wheelie right there too. He added the winglets on it. I have no clue if they'll even if they're even functional. Quick shifter sounds great. You have to stomp down with authority though on the downshifts. I was making sure that wasn't a spot. It's a lot of bike, E. Have you looked at your grips? You pulling the meat off the hose. Again, I don't know if I'm ready to step into new modern age. I was saying, I don't know if I would even want to go as fast as this can go because somebody would be insane to even think these are slow. This is a lot though. A whole lot.
Now we were supposed to go ride, typically get out and go ride back roads like during the daytime. But man, E takes so damn long. I was like, I'm cool with riding later because I don't want to get caught at night without the headlights on this R6. One of the homies ended up showing up. Actually, he's a homie now because this was my first time meeting him. His name's Mike. Cool dude. Check him out. This was my first time riding with him, and apparently he's a rider. Kind of like me.
Yeah, if that was him, he's probably going to come right around the corner. Here he comes. What up, dog? Lex. Hey, let's go hit the loop before it gets dark.
All right.
Man, they closed all this shit off like 2 weeks ago. You ready? What up, though? Not fucking with how we ride, how we used to ride. He used to ride like this. He is not with it. Oh shit! Nah, E lost his edge, man. Come on, E, you can't be aging out, man. E, come on.
Oh yeah, and I forgot to add in, we went drifting. I had to take Gerald out to check and make sure that he actually worked good. It seemed as though my alignment was pretty good. It needed a little bit of adjustment, but the bumps at Sonoma that they had the track laid out in, when I was designing the tracks, I would go around these bumps or set the cones on the bumps so that the bumps would be avoided. It wasn't avoided, but it worked out because it straightened out my wheel. It was a little off, and then I guess it settled it back in. So alignment's pretty much spot on. Car's working pretty good. I was running it on 20 PSI. I keep 245s on the back of the vert. 20 PSI makes it extra gripped up. But as you'll see later on in the run, I realized I forgot, hey, I got a handbrake that works. So I was able to use a handbrake and make like some pretty cool baseline runs. I wasn't trying to rip or do the most because this weekend I have a track day at Thunder Hill, private day with some of the homies, and I really want to go enjoy with them and maybe let Jalen drive a little bit.
Hey, so yeah, we're drifting today. This might be a little tough to steer. I don't have the normal steering wheel that I have. This is a little bit smaller, so I'm not gonna have the pull leverage, but we're gonna see it. And right over there is a huge bump. Oh yeah, I got a handbrake. I forgot about that. I forgot I had a handbrake. It's the first real sliding I've done in this car. Oh, wow. I forgot I got a handbrake in this car. Now, finally, after hella years. Oh, really?
Yeah, it's like, wow.
So this FC, I have it raised, a lot of tire on it, wide, tall tire. It likes to get on angle and stays there. So, these tires are a little slippery, or I should say weathered, and the track is cold, obviously, certain spaces. I'm really used to this car having more grip or forward bite. I've really only driven it at Thunder Hill in a long time. It might just be the difference in surface and temp. The steering is extremely heavy in this car, and this smaller wheel makes it interesting. Okay, I have to learn her, man. Him, Gerald, I'm sorry. I have to learn him a little bit. Interesting. I like it, man. I really like this car, but he's hella soft and bouncy. This handbrake actually works now. It's very stiff, so if I pull it, it stays. But
So, in all those things, this is the outro. And thank y'all for joining me. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Gave you a little bit of motorcycle action. Gave you a little bit of car action. We're going to be going to Thunder Hill. Going to drive with some of the homies on a practice drift day. And maybe get into some tandems. Or maybe let Jalen do it all. Who knows? You're going to have to tune in to see. Check in for another vlog. And I'm going to get y'all too.